Want to start selling your Lego building instructions and kits? In this video, I'll show you how to register with PayPal and Stripe, two trusted payment solutions that make collecting payments from your buyers simple and secure. Welcome to this new video in the BRICKSBIZ training program. Today, we begin day 18 of the program, and we will discuss selling the products you have developed over the past 2 weeks. To enable your prospects and audience to purchase your building instructions and kits, you'll need to register with payment service providers. The goal of this lesson is therefore to explain why you need to use such payment providers. I will also show you how to create accounts with two major providers I recommend, PayPal and Stripe. As I explained in the introduction, you are about to sell the result of your hard work since the beginning of this training course. However, to collect payments, you will need to use online payment solution providers. These providers facilitate and secure financial transactions between your buyers and your business. They handle the execution of payment transactions and, in return, offer secure payments, dispute protection, management interfaces to monitor your sales and balances, and money transfers to your bank account. Additionally, these providers can adapt their services to comply with the regulatory requirements of different countries. Of course, these payment providers charge a commission for each transaction. For most of them, this commission includes a fixed amount and a percentage of the total transaction value. The commission calculation model varies based on several factors, but it ensures secure transactions and builds trust with your buyers. So which payment solution provider should you use? There are thousands of payment providers worldwide, each with its own advantages, disadvantages, and commission structures. But to start your business, I recommend choosing internationally recognized payment solution providers. The first provider I recommend is PayPal, a globally renowned American company that allows you to link your payment methods or bank account to an email address. PayPal is accepted by thousands of merchants worldwide. The second provider I recommend is Stripe, which is less known to the public, but a leading player in online commerce. Stripe connects merchants with various international payment networks such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, UnionPay, JCB, Google Pay, and many others. Stripe provides tools to quickly set up an account and integrate their platform into your website. I recommend offering both options, as some buyers prefer one over the other. For instance, some customers will only check out if they can pay by credit card, while others prefer using PayPal. Don't miss out on potential sales. Register with both platforms. In this video, we will cover the steps to create accounts with PayPal and Stripe, the two online payment service providers I just mentioned. Let's start with PayPal. Follow the link provided below this video and follow the instructions specific to your country. If you have a business, you can create a business account. Otherwise, opt for an individual account, which will also allow you to receive payments for your building instruction sales. You will need a valid email address and phone number for registration. Prepare additional documents such as an ID and possibly proof of address in electronic format. Creating a PayPal account only takes a few minutes, but allow a few extra days for the identity verification process and linking your bank account for fund transfers. Now let's move on to Stripe. Again, I'm doing just a quick break in the video to let you know that if you're enjoying this free training, you're going to absolutely love the full BRICKSBIZ training course. BRICKSBIZ full training course, this is more than 25 hours of online content, an exclusive membership to a private Discord community full of business experts, a lifetime access to monthly live sessions, and tons of templates, bonuses, marketing strategies, and automation scripts to turn your passion for Lego bricks into a profitable business. It's completely risk-free to try. You have 14 days to explore the program, and if you're not satisfied, you'll get a 100% reimbursement. No questions asked, though I'm pretty sure you won't need it. So if you are looking for more information, just follow the link that appears underneath this video. I let you get back to the content of this free BRICKSBIZ training course video. Again, follow the link provided below this video and follow the steps specific to your country. You will need to provide details such as your name, email address, country, and confirm your email to validate your information. To enable payments through Stripe, you will need to supply additional details such as your name, address, phone number, bank account, and tax information. You can choose between a business account or an individual account, depending on your own situation. Be sure to select the Digital Products category when creating your account. This is the category corresponding to electronic building instructions. Once your bank account is registered, complete the process, which will also take a few days for identity verification and linking with your bank account. Now, let's move on to the practical exercise from this lesson. I encourage you to create your PayPal and Stripe accounts by following the instructions provided on their respective websites. Remember to create both accounts to maximize your payment option. Pause this video now, and I'll see you once you've created your accounts. There you go! You've completed an important step in setting up your business. By having accounts with payment solution providers, you'll be able to collect money from your future buyers for your Lego building instructions. Before moving on to the next video, in which we'll effectively put your building instructions up for sale, please make sure you've created your PayPal and Stripe accounts successfully. I'll see you in the next video for this exciting step in your entrepreneurial journey. See you very soon in this next video from the BRICKSBIZ training course. This video was taken from the BRICKSBIZ training course. If you'd like to discover the full richness of this training course and learn how to create and develop a business around your Lego, you can follow the link that appears just below this video. You'll be able to join a community of experts and generate your first dollars in less than 4 weeks. As for me, I'll see you in a new free video on the BRICKSBIZ YouTube channel. You can watch the video by clicking on the link on the screen.